Griffith Nebula is beginning to appear. I'll do a levels change here. I bring it about halfway. Okay, and then I'll copy that and I'll name this layer stars. Go to levels again and I'll darken that a bit, and I'll move this central one to try and remove just adjust that so you've got the stars, but you're trying to remove the something like that. You're trying to remove the nebula. Yeah, now I'll copy this background again and I'll this time call it starless. Turn this one off. I have by RC Astro, I have 3 tools here and I'm going to use Star Exterminator. The link will be in the description if you want to get this tool. Now this will take a few moments, and what this is going to do, it's going to extract the stars from this image. So I'll have an image which is the nebula only. Let's do Control M and do a stretch. Move this out of the way. Let's do Arcsine 10. So that's given it quite a powerful stretch there. Now Control L for levels adjustment. Again, let's bring that a bit closer this time. And a little bit more of a stretch, which I'll do manually this time. I'll just move that up a little bit, and then that's okay. A little bit more levels, just bring that in a little bit. Now, camera filter, camera raw filter. And what I want to do here, zoom up a little bit, and I'll bring the clarity up, which will improve the signal and will improve some of those details. You see how it's bringing it up. And now I'll go to color and increase vibrance, increase vibrance, and increase the saturation until we get some nice color. Okay. And then you can see the change that that made. Let's again do a little bit more of a stretch. And levels adjustment. We can go closer this time. So I have astrophotography tools set here. Again, I'll put some information in the description where you can get these, and I want this one local contrast enhancement. Press that and it's going to apply the local contrast. So just to zoom up on that a little bit. So we see what we've got now. Once again, we go to the camera raw filter. go to effects and put in some more clarity, which will bring out even more detail. Don't go too far. Color, and apply more saturation just to get a bit more color into the image. I like that. Okay. And you can see how it's boosted it there. Now we've got that. But if you zoom up to about 100 or even 200, I hope that you can see that there's some noise in here. So we'll aim to get rid of this noise. And so I'll go to my RC Astro set again, noise exterminator. I want it set to 80% with 30% detail. This is a bit quicker, but it will take a few moments to do this. And yet you can see, I hope, the difference that that has made. Okay. That's what we have currently. What we'll do now is we'll add a bit of brightness. And maybe even a bit of contrast. And what we'll do now is we'll add the stars in. So how I do that now, I've switched on this one, I've switched this one back on, this layer back on, and also clicked on there. We'll go to the blend mode and we'll go to linear add. You see how we can change this mode, linear add, and it will add all these layers together. And I can adjust how much star effect I want. I can lessen it, or I can increase it. And I think I like somewhere around here. Okay, so I think we'll go with that. Next, I need to flatten the image. And there you have it. We have our stretched and processed image. We can crop it. We've got our final processed image.